Hey friend, welcome to Confident Chats. If you're new here, join me in this journey of healing where I share things I wish people told me when I was struggling. Not everyone is someone they can be vulnerable with, and I hope that through my healing journey, you'll find a friend who understands you, sees you, and supports you. Thank you for being here. To those who find it difficult to trust again. Trust. The dictionary defines trust as the firm belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's such a big word, isn't it? Trust is the building block of any relationship you can think of. Our romantic and platonic relationships, or professional relationships, our relationships with our company or clients, or even a relationship with our state and government. It takes a while and a lot to build trust. It takes time and cannot be rushed. It is built brick by brick through small and big actions. And brick by brick, it can be broken down. One of the misconceptions I had with trust is that it takes something huge for it to be broken. When someone tells me I lost trust in someone, I assume the worst. I assume that that person resorted to betrayal or cheating, for example. But I realized that trust can be broken even through seemingly small actions. Forgetting to call when you say you'd call, sharing something someone confided in you because you didn't think it was a big deal, forgetting a special day, and so on. Whenever we lose trust in someone, we lose something in ourselves as well. Our self-trust. Our ability to trust ourselves and the decisions we make. After all, every person we allow into our lives is a decision we made at some point. If you have someone in your life who betrayed your trust, I want to remind you that it's not your fault that you trusted this person. You didn't know any better then, and you can only see the red flags now because you know better now. I also want to remind you that not everyone is out here to get you. There are good people out there who actually have your best interest in mind. I know it's difficult to trust again after such betrayal, but a life without trust is like imprisoning yourself. You gave yourself the life sentence. The healing process for betrayed trust goes back to self-trust, and this is what I'll be focusing on here. It's easy to spiral about the red flags you should have seen with the person who betrayed your trust, but this wouldn't change anything. Close that chapter and start a fresh one. This time, focus on yourself and how you can trust yourself again. In order to trust people again, you need to be able to trust yourself again. Start showing up for yourself. What can you do today to build your trust with yourself again? What did you say you'd do for yourself? Going to the gym, getting enough sleep, starting a healthy lifestyle, meditating more or praying more? Go back to those goals and actually work on them. This is the only way you can start trusting yourself again, by doing things you said you'd do. The other thing you can do is start setting standards for yourself and meet them. What do you require as the bare minimum in any relationship you would welcome in your life moving forward? If you want someone who keeps their word, follow through with the promises and goals you have set for yourself. If you want someone who respects you and takes you seriously, be unapologetically yourself. If you want someone who supports you and makes you feel loved, stop being self-critical and put more time into self-care. If you want someone to take you on lavish dates, take yourself on lavish dates. This will calibrate your body to the standards you have set. These standards will feel so familiar to you that when someone falls beneath it, you'll know. Your body will know, your soul will know. You'll see red flags right away, even from a mile away. Friend, quick reminder though that this is not a linear path. There will be days when you'll take 5 steps forward and 8 steps back, but that's okay. Keep on pushing through. Whenever something triggers you, acknowledge it and sit with it. I have always believed that triggers show us unhealed parts of ourselves. Bring it to the light and start to heal it. By going through this, you'll learn to trust yourself again. And in the end, you'll learn to trust people again because you trust yourself and the decisions you make. Thank you for being here. I'm rooting for you.